Hello everyone and welcome to the All in Health channel. This is our first video and we are very excited to begin this journey of health and wellness with you. On this channel, our commitment is to bring quality content on topics related to health, fitness, nutrition, and well-being. We want to help you achieve your health and wellness goals by offering practical and evidence-based information. We believe that health and wellness go far beyond healthy eating and physical exercise. It is necessary to take care of the mind and emotions to have a full and happy life. And, of course, we cannot forget the importance of social connection and entertainment for our health and well-being. Here on the All in Health channel, we will bring educational and informative content on health and wellness topics, so you can learn more and take better care of yourself. So, if you are looking for a healthier and fuller life, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and join our All in Health community. Stay tuned for new videos soon and thank you for watching our first video. See you next time.